Well, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So we have some pretty significant news here. So Disney and Microsoft funds are going public tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the first trading day. So hopefully you heard it here if you haven't already read Reddit or some other sites. But the news was circulating around our Discord today, so I figured I would do a quick video on it. So the tickers are going to be DISO for Disney and MSFO for Microsoft. So we'll find out how they'll do, what the pricing point will be tomorrow. Probably do a follow-up live stream on it. And let's see, Hog Farmer's the first one on. Welcome. Welcome to Udar Pavaroda. Saw you yesterday. So yeah, we've got 2 new funds adding to the family. So this should bring it to 10, I believe. So I'll just reference this Reddit post here first, and then we'll look at the Discord. Probably go about 20 minutes, cover the performance of our other funds, and we'll take feedback on what we think the dividends might be. So here's a Reddit thread for YieldMax right here. Actually, a subreddit for YieldMax. I should probably join this. Get my own subreddit going too. So NVDY was up 5%. NVIDIA was only up 3%. Interesting. So MSFO and DISO launched this Friday, August 25th. YieldMax Microsoft Option Income Strategy ETF and Disney Option Income Strategy ETF are launching Friday. Seek to generate monthly income from covered call strategies, as we know. This person here says, I'm going to hold off on buying a month or so since no dividends the first month. That's actually a good idea. This person jumped into FBY GUI and AMZY too fast. They didn't pay out the last month, but should next month. Yeah, that might be actually a good idea to wait a month or so. Now let's go to the YieldMax site here and see what we got. Did I close it? Oh, I hear you all blowing up the Discord. You must realize I'm online. Or I'm live. All right, let's go here. All right, so what we've got so far. You're not going to see an entry yet for Disney or for Microsoft yet because they're not public yet. They will be tomorrow. I'm probably going to do what the Reddit poster said and wait a month because we don't get a dividend for the first month, right? Welcome. Okay, so by the way, we're up to like 76 or 77 on the Discord. Oh, look who finally joined. Haven't seen you on so early in a while. Sometimes you join at the last minute, but welcome back. All right. What do you think of the new thumbnails, by the way? You'll be glad to know I hired an expert thumbnail designer who may or may not be in our Discord thread. Hired them for free, actually. Can't beat free, right? So, all right. Let's see here. It's kind of cool when your fans, help you out. So, all right, OARK, we're at 57%, Tesla 70%, Apple 33%, NVDY 42%. So Tesla is still our strongest one. No dividends yet for AMZY, FBY, GUI, or NFLY yet. And then here's Coney. So we're actually going to be up to 11 tomorrow. So we're getting a lot of them in. By the way, how original. Look at all these other YouTube channels that are having Jay on. It seems like we started that here, but he's going on all these other channels now. So you do like the thumbnails, huh? Well, what I try to do, I try to assign a task to each of you. So Varden, we tried to make you like the scribe of the channel, but you're kind of in and out. So Engineer Blake may or may not have some eventual tasks too, but we'll definitely see. But all of you all give me very valuable feedback in the direct messages. So, oh, you got into Coney and NVDY. That's good. How are those working out for you? Have you been in for a while? So anyway, it's funny, now that you joined, I started going back to Yahoo Finance a little bit. I remember you didn't like them too much, but maybe since you joined, maybe I'll go to Seeking Alpha. So, all right, let's stop this here. You know what's funny? So the Sunday stream, got some feedback on the Sunday stream, but the view total, I'm over 1,000 views a video, regardless of whether you all think it's great or not as great. So, but like I said, I like having different perspectives on. Oh, welcome, welcome. See, we finally got you in the Discord, right? both positive returns, right? Well, I saw on the subreddit that NVDY actually outperformed Nvidia today because the market was kind of rough. Wonder what's affecting the market today. Coney's supposed to be a big dividend. We'll see. When do you think it's going to pay out? Isn't OARK kind of safer because it's an ETF and not a single company? Oh, you're thinking diversification. Well, you got to consider Kathy Wood, the fund manager, and you got to consider how ARK has done. ARK has been kind of volatile, right? So, but I do see your point. That is a good point, actually. Okay, so let's see. Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha. By the way, I am going to have some scripted videos coming. May or may not have had some help with that too. So, all right, let's see here. Let's just go back to an old link we had up here. So we'll go to Seeking Alpha. I'm not going to go too long. I'm getting this one out today. Yeah, be careful what you all say about Kathy Wood. You know, she's my girl. So she should be retiring me any day so I can be on here more, right? SOXL puts. Yeah, I missed some. There's a fund that there's a NVIDIA ETF that one of you mentioned in the Discord that I've got to look into. Yeah, right. Exactly. So Coney will have a good dividend. No asset more volatile than crypto in the markets today. Really? Haven't looked at my crypto. All right. Well, you know what? Since you mentioned crypto, let me look at. I'll look at my Coinbase here, and let's see. While we're doing that, let's go to Seeking Alpha and seek some alpha. And here we go. Don't want Coinbase Wallet. So XRP is coming back down. We were up to like 70 cents. I was thinking about selling it. I've made a nice gain, but I was thinking that 70 cents was just the start. I thought we might be coming back actually. Oh no, we were at 95 cents. Now we're back to 52 cents. Huh. And then the other ones I don't even look at. I'm still in. I've got a little bit of Bitcoin. I've got Uniswap, Chainlink, Dogecoin, and so I've got like 5 of them. Haven't really looked at this much since 2021. So anyway, so here is GUI, 2025 a share, and Tesla. By the way, I was doing some spreadsheet analysis on my own stuff today. So I bought up with Tesla like in early July. So I paid like $18 a share for some of my shares. So I think my dollar cost average, like price per share, is like 16 something. So I'm in the hole. But we're at 14.13 today. So I don't know. I may still pair up, you know, get some more. Sell out of some other stuff. There's one I'm in a fund called SKT that pays a dividend. May sell that one and get more Tesla. It's funny because even though the dividend dropped because I bought more Tesla, I had a fatter dividend last month than I had the month before. So just wanted to recover. You know, it's nice to keep our principal intact and get the nice dividends too. So, but anyway, since inception, we're down like 30%. Year to date, we are flat. No, we're still up 5% actually. But at one point, we were up like 36%. So we're due for recovery. I think it's just a matter of time. How did NVIDIA do today, by the way? So yeah, we already got out the central topic of the video. Oh, NVIDIA ended up only 47 cents. Glad I didn't buy calls today. So the central topic of the video, obviously, yeah, Disney and Microsoft are going public, right? Engineer says, I posted a trade to Discord last night, which returned 7.86% this morning. Hey, better than CDs, right? It was only for pennies, but it feels good to step back into trading after taking a break. That's good. I know of somebody that made like 15 grand in a NVIDIA play yesterday, and it wasn't me. Should have been, but it wasn't. Crypto, I was up 15%. This now nearly flat. Ooh, that's not good. Let's see. I was just trying to show off volume profile based on technical analysis. I want to teach Coach the good stuff so he's armed with the best tools available. Yeah, that's what I say. You know, coach me so I can coach the audience better. It's like a reciprocal coaching, you know. September, yeah, I know September is always a rough month for the markets for whatever reason. Anyone thinking about buying the one from Microsoft? Disney, I'm not interested in, honestly. Oh, I can't imagine why. I was reading only two companies graded better than the US, AAA, Microsoft, and Johnson and Johnson. Really? No, I would say of the two, Microsoft's probably the best one. Disney's still having a rough time. Iger's trying to turn around a lot of the mess that Chapek left him. So see how that goes, but he's got an uphill battle for sure. I might do the Microsoft one and Coinbase. Yeah, I might do. Well, so somebody tell me, why is Coney expected to be such a high dividend? I'm kind of wondering. Okay, let me do this here. Oops, not that. All right. Oh, someone new. Welcome. I'm basing my income portfolios on 83 cents per month on Tesla, Nvidia, and Clip. Would you guys agree? I hope it stays that way, but Varden disagrees. So there you have that. Base it on 75 cents. That's probably more steady, more stable for sure. So Nvidia, with our really choppy market today, Nvidia only ended up 47 cents. We were up like $14. So anyway, and then we'll look at NVDY. We'll just look at them all while we're at it. We'll update all of them. 23.98. Oh, so yeah, Nvidia did outperform, or NVDY did outperform the underlying stock. How about that? It's kind of rare that the YieldMax funds outperformed the underlying, but they did. And we're up 20% in NVDY. NFLY is 1873. We were down 62 cents today. We're down 6.32% year to date. How's our favorite one, Netflix? How's Netflix doing? Let's see here, 406. Ooh, did earnings disappoint? How about that? We're 406. Wonder what happened with earnings here. Did earnings disappoint? Not really, haven't been following as closely. Interesting. Well, it says a beat for quarter two. Huh, interesting. Well, the market was very choppy today anyway. So, all right, let's look at Discord for a bit. Yeah, I need to do some more call options for sure. Just not the ones that lose money. I was doing great. I rolled my TQQQ to December, but I'm back down again. I probably should have just sold yesterday. That's the average I think Jay's looking for, 75 to 80-ish cents. That's really great still. Weekly call options, right? Okay, now let's look at Discord. We are growing in Discord still. It may have gone down on guidance. We are starting. Oh, is it a recession now? I can't keep track of. I know the definitions kind of shift around for what a recession is or isn't. Oh, who's this? Francisco Villalobos. Did I say it right? And your picture says perfume. Stock split. Oh, we did answer that question. What happens in a stock split? So the options split too. So the dividend premium might be less. And then the fund, typically in a split, you double the shares and the share price falls in half, right? Don't blink. Okay. That's still close and can use that to buy Goff, SPY. Oh, Goff. I forgot about Goff. How's Goff doing? I've been focused on these YieldMax funds so much, I actually forgot about Goff. One of our former favorites, right? So this one is still a 14% dividend. We're actually down a bit since the beginning of the year. Or actually, no, we're up like 1%. Okay, so still pretty stable. Since a year ago, we're down 9%. Since, let's see, 26% down since 2021. Interesting. The bond market has been inverted for months now. This is the worst inversion in like 40 plus years. Isn't that just like a function of interest rates? So the yield curve doesn't really, the yield curve doesn't get me as amped up as it does other people, because it seems like it's just a response to how interest rates are going. Like, isn't the yield curve going to invert? Like, if interest rates are expected to be lower 2 years from now than they are today, doesn't that affect the yield curve? So I don't know why that's such a big indicator of recessions. And if I remember correctly, the yield curve was inverted like in 2016, and we never had a recession. I wonder why. But I don't know. Nothing would surprise me with, what all we have going on now. So just crazy. All right. Oh, RA, that's another one. Yeah. Coach, which one of the YieldMax funds do you own personally? Just TSLY. Haven't yet got into the others. I want to get into some others eventually, but what I did with my dividend, I bought Tesla stock instead of dollar cost averaging back into TSLY. Maybe I should have just dollar cost averaged. But anyway, okay. ACV is another one you guys should look at. ACV, have I heard of that one? Oh, let's see here. ACV. Oops, typed it wrong. ACV. Virtus Diversified Income and Convertible Fund. Never heard of this one. Always get new ones though. 11% yield. Compared to YieldMax, so see, we're kind of spoiled with YieldMax. So it's like when we're getting 70% or even 50%, why would we go for 11%? It was like SVOL. Now, SVOL, I sold. I actually looked at that. I sold for like a gain. I got a gain in it, and I got a nice dividend for like 6 months. So that was good. Okay, let's look at Discord. Got to work on monetizing this too. Oh, I don't want to share that. I don't want to share my DMs. Okay, let's go here. Let's see. Awesome. All right, let's go to the main thread here. Who is this? Oh, another DM. I got another DM from someone here. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we're up to now. 62, 76 still. Okay, we'll just go over a few things here that you all shared today. Oh, ACV is a CEF. Let me see here. What percentage of your portfolio are you down? What do you mean, like the percentage down? Maybe like 10%. Just in my brokerage, my 401ks are up for the year. So my 401ks, they kind of protect me from me. So I'm in, index funds. So I'm up in the 401ks and down in my own brokerage. All right. We'll look at that again one day. Markets are all interconnected. The inverted yield curve is a symptom, not a cause. It's comparable to finding out your kid has a fever of 103. Oh, well, that just means they're hot-blooded, like the song says, right? You knew that was coming. What about if one of them splits? Oh, you're asking the same question. So yeah, the result would be the dividend would be lower. I do believe ACV is a CEF, okay. Inverted yield curve. Oh yeah, we just read that, okay. We're so spoiled with these high dividend funds, aren't we? I follow like a hawk, but I only have Tesla, which I'm so happy about. Yeah, I only have Tesla too. All right, let's go into the Discord here. Let's see what you all chatted about all day today. Wonder how much time some of you spend in here. Okay, somebody appreciates my sacrifices here because I do late live streams and I work early. It's what you got to do though when you try to get the side hustles going, right? We got a Borat meme from the engineer. Join Jen was laughing at Aunt Boogie World for selling his jewelry. So he kind of slowed down, but he was kind of taking over the thread. I think he actually ran off Hoffman. Oh, look at this. Wow. He got a wad of cash for some jewelry. So you're selling jewelry to get into more YieldMax funds. How about that? I could try to sell my 8-ball to get into more YieldMax. So let's see. Well, you know what? That'll pay you more of a return. Jewelry just kind of looks nice, but, well, gold, intrinsic value, right? Precious metals. So let's see here. Somebody got, oh, look. Wow, he's showing his trades too. Aptly. I have a feeling, well, I don't want to give you too much attention, but I have a feeling you're going to get into the financial world on your YouTube. I get that sense. Beto, oh, I'm down in Beto. 6-month low. What do you guys think about it? Aptly probably is the safer play. Oh, someone thinks Amor Fati is a bot. Okay. By the way, SPYI seems like a good place to start a position today. Okay. Let's see. Wow, you guys spend a lot of time in here. Okay, I was looking for the posts about the new YieldMax funds just to show those. How we're doing here. Okay, we're at 12 a.m. on the East Coast. Buy and hold, that's us. We're the buy and hold group. So anyway, okay, so yeah, you all see 1607, that's about where I am. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, look who's back. Welcome back. Two of the best fans are back. Okay, let's see. Only 1% down. Good for you. Yeah. So the person kind of slowed down a bit, if you call it that. But anyway, a lot of interesting posts in the chat. I was actually like a couple days behind, so I had to catch up on what all was going on. MRVL, is that Marvel? Like the 5G company? Puts might be juicy. I gotta look at. I have some Marvel stock actually. That's one I bought and held. Oh, are we dropping again? I should have sold it like 2 years ago. Yeah, I should have sold it in late 2021. Sold out of Clip and Vito. Probably good for you. I foolishly got some call options in those. In 2 months, we should do a video. Which funds are undervalued? What is a good buying opportunity? Remind me in the Discord. DM me. Which funds are undervalued? What is a good buying opportunity? Yeah, we'll see. I misspoke. MRVL did break support in the after hours. Interesting. Okay. All right, you all. Just wanted to get a quick one out there with the breaking news today. I don't follow news too closely, but I hear there's some other stuff going on that we won't talk about. But as far as our finances and investing, that's pretty much our big news today. So thank you all for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much. Again, take care, and we'll see you all on the flip side. Let's see what we open at tomorrow in these two. Thank you all again. Take care.